Number 5. XtremepowerUS Climb Wall Pool Cleaner. If you're in the market for an affordable above-ground pool vacuum, the XtremepowerUS Climb Wall Pool Cleaner is a great option to consider. This wall-climbing automatic suction vacuum is easy to use and doesn't require any tools or electricity for operation. Powered by your pool's pump, it moves through the pool at a rate of 8 to 12 feet per minute, efficiently delivering waste and debris to the filtration system. One of the biggest advantages of this pool cleaner is its simplicity. You don't need to worry about extra wiring or power sources, just attach it to your pump and let it do its job. Another pro is that it's great for basic cleaning of pool floors and lower walls, making it perfect for routine maintenance. What I love most about this cleaner is that it's a budget-friendly option that gets the job done without any frills. However, it's important to note that this pool cleaner doesn't scrub surfaces or plan its route, meaning you may need to leave it in the water for longer periods to ensure a thorough clean. While this may be a drawback for some, it's a minor inconvenience when you consider the overall effectiveness of the cleaner. Overall, the XtremepowerUS Climb Wall Pool Cleaner is the best budget option for above-ground pool owners looking for a simple and reliable cleaning solution. Its straightforward design and ease of use make it a standout choice in its price range. If you're in need of an affordable pool cleaner that gets the job done, check out the XtremepowerUS Climb Wall Pool Cleaner today.